guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can cover someone's face on CapCut PC, either using a sticker or you can even blur it out. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm just going to copy and paste it. To blur it out, you're just going to select effects. Actually, I'm just going to select mosaic for this one instead of blur. Add it to your video and adjust the blur here. Select your video. Then select mask and select circle, and you're just going to adjust it to their face. And what I like to do is I like to feather it out just a little bit as well. And if they move a lot, just add in a keyframe here so that you can adjust it to their face, kinda like here, I guess, when they move to the side. I'm just going to rotate it and move it to the side, and here as well. Just like adjust as you go, honestly. Like here, maybe move it to the side and rotate it. You can scale that a little bit as well. And then here, I'm just going to rotate it back, and that's one way to cover up someone's face. Or you can use stickers. If I can select it, okay, I'm just going to cover it up with like the sun sticker. Again, use keyframes to basically move it around if the person moves around a lot. But in this case, she doesn't really move that much, so I'm fine. Oh, I did not add a keyframe. Whoops. Make sure you add that keyframe in so that it tracks the face, and just again move it, rotate it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!